Hey, appreciate you guys tuning in. Behind me, a beautiful 65 Fastback GT. Gorgeous restoration from top to bottom. We're gonna show you every inch of this car. We may even drive it. Tune in, you caught us at a great time to check out our latest arrival. This car has been completely restored, done on a rotisserie, and we have a whole bunch of new goodies on here. We're talking chrome, we're talking emblems, we're talking lights, lenses, bezels. The list goes on. There is no chips in the leading edge of this hood. The fitment is great. Clarity is all there. We got the fog lamps like a GT should. Hood release just under here. This is a factory A-code V8 Fastback. It is now upgraded with a dressed down 302 with some healthy bits up under there making a little bit of ruckus. We got a nice chrome powder coat on our tie bars. Up top, we got the Cobra fin valve covers. Looks like some aluminum pulleys in the front of this motor. Nice fan shroud, nice finishes on our hood latch. Top and bottom, hood hinges even. All the hardware in here shines bright. We got the VIN stamping on the inner fender apron. This thing's sweet. Look at the finish on the underside of that hood. This is really like glass everywhere. All right, we'll roll down the side. Great gaps, keeping it true with the 289 badge. The style steeled wheels look awesome. Disc brakes beyond there. Raised white letter BFGs sporting a 205/70 R14 GT badging and a red GT stripe. All looks magnificent, as do our gaps. The door, the fender, the hood. Of course, when we start doing this, a light bit of dusting comes down. Beautiful windshield with the tinted top row. Window moldings, window seals all look to be new. Chrome on the mirror looks new as well. Quarter window seals look new. Glass looks to be new. It's in excellent condition. Great gaps, the body lines line up. Hot looking wheel and tire out back too. Great fitting cars, love these Fastbacks. This is a really cool angle on these. This has the trumpet tips with the rear valence exits. We have our fuel cap right here. It screws on and screws off. Beautiful trunk compartment. Check out the condition of this trunk gutter. All in wonderful shape. The seal up on our deck lid looks to be new. And we even have original sticker, nice plating on our latch and on our striker and our receiver down there. Closes up lovely. All new bezels around our taillights, new chrome bumper. This is a beautiful car. Window trim, drip rail moldings, antenna even. All brand new stuff, and it looks like it. Let's check out the interior. All right, doors open effortlessly. We got brand new door cards, brand new pony seat covers over these buckets. These look awesome. Full console, wood grain wheel, wood on all of our dash, around our gauge instruments. Rally pack car with the tack and the functional clock. Dig that. Speedo runs out to 140, and we got gauges for fuel, oil pressure, voltmeter, and coolant temp. We've got the fog lamp switch. We got our light pole, cigarette lighter, AM radio, heater controls, trap door right here for some more storage. Brand new looking ashtray. Got a working light inside of there and an owner's manual. Dig that. Dash pad in wonderful shape too. See, we got the car light glass in here. This thing's super correct. Let's check out back. These seat backs look great. We have floor mats front and rear. The tail end of our console looks good. All of the courtesy lights are working like they're supposed to. These rear cards look great. Seat cover in wonderful shape. Fold down seat car. All the trim is present and in wonderful shape. This has the vented sail panels, functional vents on the side of this car. Headliner looks to be new, as does the rear view mirror and the visors. Man, this car rolls very nice. Gearbox feels nice and new too. This is a manual disc brake car, but it does a fine job. So, you know, if you wanted to add something like power steering to this lovely car, we could help you do that before you take delivery of it even. Same thing with the power brakes. Really healthy sounding and running car. We have an exhaust gasket that has just let loose on us in this drive. You can hear it a little bit, but that will be addressed before this car meets its new home. Indicators work on the dash. This radio here. There it is. This car is available if you want to see anything more on it. I advise you to check out the link we put down in the descriptions of all these videos. That link will take you over to the full listing on this particular car here. That's where we put up the 100+ pictures, show you all the undercarriage, close-ups of the door tag, and you can also read a breakdown of everything we know, where it's been. Lots of good stuff. And while you're down there clicking, be sure to like and subscribe. That'll keep you in tune with our latest arrivals, just like this slick fastback behind me. Lastly, and I'll let you go, our number is 248-714-2110, and our email too is inquiry@lafontaineclassiccars.com. Hit us either way with any questions. We'd be happy to help share more and let you know how we can get this thing to your door.